Most people don't realize that the staple foods they eat every day may be quietly affecting their body. Have you ever felt that you're used to having steamed buns with white congee every morning, but your stomach feels worse over time? Or even without major stress, your emotions fluctuate and you struggle to sleep at night? When these happen, we rarely suspect that our daily staple food could be the cause. Wheat is often called the king of grains, but is it really suitable for everyone? Does eating more of it really make you healthier? Today, let's talk about a commonly overlooked dietary secret: wheat. It's not just a staple food, but also a top-grade ingredient recorded in ancient texts. When eaten right, it nourishes. When eaten wrong, it may harm. In traditional Chinese medicine, wheat is more than just food. It is sweet, slightly cooling, and mainly works on the heart system. Simply put, it calms the mind, clears internal heat, and restores body fluids. When you feel irritable, dry, or low in mood, it acts like a gentle regulator. But the key is, TCM is all about individual differences. No food works for everyone. To eat right, you must match your body type. First, yin deficiency type. If you often stay up late and feel drained, you may feel heat in your palms, dry mouth, and dry eyes. Your tongue may appear red with little coating, and your sleep is light. This is a typical yin deficiency pattern. The goal is to nourish fluids, reduce heat, and calm the mind. Recommended: wheat, lily, and tremella porridge. Wheat calms, lily relaxes, tremella nourishes. Best taken warm at night for better sleep. If you have weak digestion, take less. Second, qi stagnation type. If you often feel low, irritable, and sigh frequently, you may feel chest tightness and poor appetite. This is blocked energy. You need to release stagnation and calm the mind. Recommended: wheat, licorice, and jujube tea. A simplified traditional calming formula. Gentle and effective for stress relief.